All right, so at earlier levels, I think we all find it sometimes frustrating trying to get students to speak at length. One activity I found to be quite useful, which I think comes from Paul Nation, is the 3-2-1 fluency activity. So basically, the premise behind it is you get the students to speak on a very easy topic multiple times. So, for example, they might need to speak about their hobbies, and they have a brief brainstorming period if you want, and then you put the students into pairs and they speak to that person in the first one for 3 minutes. And then maybe at the end of that 3 minutes, the other student can ask some quick follow-up questions, and then they rotate around. In the second iteration, they speak for 2 minutes, and in the third iteration, 1 minute. So what they've found with this activity is that when it reduces down to the final minute, students are actually producing more grammatically accurate versions of their talk, and also are speaking more fluently with less of sort of stuff. All right, the tool that I'm suggesting to use online to help engage students is Flipgrid. Basically, Flipgrid allows you to create short discussion style topics in a video format, and students can then respond with video as well. So let's have a look at 3 ways we could use this with our students. Activity 1. So basically this is set up in the classroom. So following on from your speaking 3-2-1, for the final iteration, you get students, if they have smartphones, with the Flipgrid app, to film the final talk and then post that up on the class Flipgrid. This can then be used either as a feedback session at the end of the lesson for all the students, or alternatively, it can be commented on by students after class. Activity 2. This one, you set it up in the classroom and then the students complete at home. So you give them a quick training in Flipgrid with an example, and then when they go home, they basically do the speaking 3-2-1 via Flipgrid. So they post up 3 videos, 1 3 minutes, 2 minute, 1 minute, and then you can also pair them up with other students in the class, and their responsibility is to either ask 1 or 2 questions about their partner's 1 minute talk. Number 3. So the final task you could do is you set it as more of a student autonomy style task. So just like how students are maybe set a writing journal to reflect or write on things from the classroom, you can use Flipgrid as a speaking journal, and the students are responsible to post up a video each day or twice a week, up to you how you set. Alright, so that's speaking 1, 2, 3 used with Flipgrid. I hope you found that useful. If you want to learn more how to use Flipgrid, their help resources can get you up to speed very quickly. So bye for now.